Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. If you are about to potty train, are potty training, or have succeeded and your toddler is potty trained, I have something that will greatly improve your life.
This potty training toilet with stool by TOWRITE is really helpful. It can be a difficult process to get your little one to go potty, but this thing really helps. I feel like it makes them feel very comfortable on top of a regular toilet. My concern with one of these is that it would be hard for the rest of us when we had to go. But this thing is so easy. It folds and takes up no space next to our toilet. It just stores between the wall. And within seconds, I can put it on and it's all ready for her as well. She's 2 and she had no problem climbing up and down on this. And as you can see, it is very comfortable. It even has a little bit of squish on the toilet seat, so it's nice and comfortable, which is so important when they're learning to get rid of any fear. So if they're comfortable, it's going to be much easier for them to learn. It's very adjustable, so you have different heights for the steps, and it also tilts out depending on how high your toilet is. So it will fit lots of different heights of toilets. I can't imagine using anything else because with this, you're not cleaning out a little potty chair every time they go. It goes into the regular toilet. So, like I said, if you have a toddler and you're trying to train them on the toilet, this is a must have. It is easy to keep clean. It makes them feel comfortable on a regular toilet and they can get up and down all by themselves. What else can you ask for?
But that's just my point of view.